The National Institute for Land and Infrastructure Management is conducting an experiment to measure the intensity of rainfall in real time using surveillance cameras.
今回の実験はデジタル画像から強い雨を解析する技術を作るための基礎的な実験になります。
The institute, affiliated with the Land Ministry, artificially produced rainfall ranging from 15 to 135 millimeters per hour. While filming the rain with cameras, researchers input corresponding rainfall data. That way, they hope to program artificial intelligence to estimate the amount of rain depending on the image in terms of factors like the haziness and size of rain droplets.
基礎的なデータが爆発的に増えるので違う世界を見えるようになる、こんなことを私たちは期待して技術開発をしています。
The ministry had set up about 14,000 surveillance cameras across the country, including near rivers and along mountain slopes. Officials are testing the new technology to see if they can utilize it to deal with disasters triggered by heavy rain.